Okay, this is 449 Genius Drive, Winter Park, Florida 32789. It's in the same neighborhood, Windsong, that we had the other property that we looked at for $4 million. Okay, if you look right down there, there's a lake and there's a nice park to walk to. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 houses down from this house. And I just walked down there. It literally took me a couple of minutes. So you have a nice oak tree canopy coming down. The house has three chimneys. I don't know how many fireplaces it actually has. We'll look. Okay, so the landscaping is, very manicured. Probably needs a trim, but everything is in place. Okay, it's your grand columned entrance, and I'm going to take you around to the garage so we can see that first. Okay. Extra parking right here, big enough for a car. You have a whole house generator right here. That's probably $25,000, and it will power the entire house in case of a storm, which is always helpful here. Not like we get very many in Orlando anyway. I mean, since I've been living here, we had 2 in the same year in 2004. One from the East Coast, one from the West Coast. And I guess living in Naples, you probably know about it. But extra parking right here. By the time it got here, it was the winds had died down to like 60, 70 miles an hour. Okay, it looks like there's a park in the back. So, you've got privacy back here, all the way down the back of the property. So there is no one behind you. Okay, this is a 3-car garage, and it's got a large rec room up top. I mean, it can be used for, whatever you want: offices, game rooms, storage, and it's separate from the main house. But it does have a walkway, which is important because, if you look up right now, it's threatening rain. So I'm going to go ahead and go around to the front. Okay, so this is the entrance. Looks like you have gas lantern there. To me, this looks like a, brick colonial. It's really traditional style. As you come through the front door, you see we have black granite. Straight ahead, we have a fireplace in a living room. You can see the inlays and the decorations on the door jambs. Here's a front parlor, sitting room. It's got detailed crown molding. And if we go through the front, you can see you have double French doors with a pane in the middle. Nice black granite in your fireplace and a mantle. We have coffered ceilings. And this is a view from the inside. Okay. Now we'll go down the hall. Oak floors. We have the butler's pantry right here, or a wet bar. Lights out, so not much light in here. And here is a formal dining room. Okay, we have lots of windows. Yes, maybe I should open those. Okay, so back down the hall, we found the lights, and it gives us another view. And here is the formal dining. You can see the wainscoting, really nice. You have a very nice, picture frame view. And here is like the formal living room. It's nice. Huge ceilings. I mean, it has to be 15 feet up. Fireplace number 2. We have built-ins here. Looks like they have the TV there. Here's your view of the pool. Again, oak flooring, oak beams. Here we have an antique style kitchen with an island and all gas appliances. They're all GE. Actually, that one's decor. Granted, here's your back. Looks like we have a screened in room out there, so that's great for any mosquitoes. We have a summer kitchen out there, and everything is gas. That's a Wolf. Lots of storage. Here's your fridge, and here's your view. More storage underneath the island. Okay. And here's your wine bar. More storage. Okay, so let's go back towards the front. And here is the master. Huge doors. Have carpet, so that would need to be replaced. Crown molding. Huge windows. Huge doors. Nice, really good sized room. Huge wall for dressers and beds. And here's the master bath. Okay. Interesting here, I haven't seen this before, but there's a stand-up washer and dryer right here. So to your convenience, there's actually another laundry room upstairs. White marble. We have his and hers vanities. Jacuzzi tub. There are two closets, so this is one with a safe. And here's closet number 2. Floor to ceiling marble and a marble floor. 2 shower heads. The marble in here has touches of green in it, and so does this counter. I'm not sure if it's coming through my video or not, but I mean it's got a very unique finish to it. I mean, it's probably a little more green tinted than you can see. Okay, so that's the master. And across from the master is the study, or the office. Built-in shelving, built-in entertainment. Really detailed. Coffered ceilings. Looks so nice. Looks so nicely done. And a half bath. Generous size. Okay, let's go upstairs. And there's wood underneath the runners, so you can either remove those or replace them. So far, 1 bedroom downstairs, and that's the master. And so upstairs we have 3 other bedrooms. We have storage. So here's our laundry. Lots of cabinets. Lots of room. Bedroom number 1 upstairs. Carpeted. And that's a Jack and Jill bathroom to another room right there. So this would be 2 rooms here with a shared bathroom. More white marble. This is out the front of the house. Bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4 has its own bathroom, dedicated bathroom. So this will be your guest suite. Additional storage out here, cedar lined. And then here's everything for the media for the house, all in one spot. Okay, that's pretty much it. I don't think I missed anything. Your AC unit, carrier with special filtration. All right, I'm going to go out back. So here we are. This is the passageway to the garage. And here is the almost end-to-end back porch, not quite, but there's a large screen room right there. There's your doors going in to the living room, and then that's the master bedroom. Really super nice view because all of that in the back is conservation. You have a nook, a niche over there. You can put like a statue or a water feature. It's got a plug. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get closer. Nice travertine tile. It's got a light and a plug. Really nice date palm here. So from this angle, you've got privacy from almost every direction. Okay, you've got conservation in the back. You've got a neighbor there, but you have a wall and a hedge. Okay, in between here and your neighbor, you've got the garage. So there's quite a bit of space out here. I mean, there's lots of room for bar stools, chairs, patio furniture. It's got a huge back porch. So I mean, there's just a lot of space. Summer kitchen, chimney number 3, wood-fired stove, all granite. Looks like a pizza oven, maybe. Certainly looks like a pizza spatula. All right, looks like we have gas out here as well. Okay, so I've just entered the garage, and we have a pool bath right here. And here's your 3-car garage. We have a central vac here. As we go upstairs, I mean, we could use this as an office, as a media room, as a theater room. All kinds of possibilities out here. You can actually see the landscaping in the lake back there. There's actually like a road, like a maintenance road back there. I don't know what it goes to, but so that's the rear of your property right there. And looking next door, looks like the neighbors are just putting in a pool. Okay, and that'll be a wrap for 449 Genius Drive, Winter Park, Florida 32789. Four bedroom, 3.5 bath, or 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 3 full baths, 2 half baths, $2,295,000. Built in 2003, just went on the market yesterday. All right, give me a call. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye. So there are peacocks all over in Windsong. They are residents here, and they walk on the streets